Hello friends, today I will show you tutorial on how to remove background video and picture with CapCut app for Windows and Mac. Step 1. Click in button Create Project. Step 2. Click in button Import. Step 3. Choose your project and click in button Import. Step 4. Click in button Add to Track.
Music licensing reimagined.
Step 5. Click in button Remove BG. Step 6. Select Custom Removal. Step 7. Select Brush. Step 8. Color code the content in a photo or video that you don't want to remove.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Step 9. Click in button Apply. Now, your background video or picture is removed successfully. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to watch more.